Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are new to my channel, then please support me by subscribing my channel and also press the bell icon to get my future video notifications. It's Christmas time and it's time to soak dry fruits for the Christmas plum cake. Generally, the authentic plum cake should be soaked 1 month before in alcohol, either in brandy or rum or whiskey. But today, as an alternative, I am using orange juice to soak my dry fruits. So here I have taken tutti frutti, red and green color, chopped walnuts or akroot, chopped pista, finely chopped dates, that is khajur, chopped cashews, chopped almonds, cranberries, blueberries, golden raisins, that is kishmish, and chopped red cherries. Kindly see the ingredient list for the measurements of the dry fruits. I have taken 1 cinnamon stick, 1 small nutmeg and few cloves, and I am using orange juice. I will soak all the dry fruits in orange juice. Instead of orange juice, you can also use any fruit juice. Now one by one, we'll take all the dry fruits on a bowl. It's looking so colorful now. This is the best thing in Christmas cake. You will get all the colorful dry fruits. It's looking so beautiful. The tutti frutti, the green and the red. Now mix everything. The colorful dry fruits. Now I will soak them in orange juice. Pour enough juice so that all the dry fruits can immerse. And later you will see the dry fruits will soak all the juices. Now mix everything very well. Now we'll make a fine powder of cinnamon, cloves and nutmeg. Now we'll add this powder to the soaked dry fruits. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon ginger powder. Now mix everything very well. And now I will preserve the soaked dry fruits in any glass jar. Do not keep this in any plastic container. Always preserve the soaked dry fruits in any glass jar. If you are soaking dry fruits in fruit juice, then minimum time you need to soak is 2 hours and maximum you can soak is 1 or 2 days without fridge. But if you are soaking dry fruits in alcohol, then you can keep the dry fruits soaked for 1 month. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for the second part, that is the baking of Christmas cake, in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.